So we got some questions here from the internet. They came from Reddit, evidently. How hard is your job? Well, I'll tell you, my job is not that hard. It's more fun, right? I'm getting to work with something that is really cutting edge. Asset intelligence solutions, it's not been on the market before. It's brand new to the world, if you want to say it like that. So we're taking a lot of the latest and greatest technology and doing something with it that nobody's done before, and that's exciting. The engineer in me loves that. The new business development, product development guy in me loves that. So it keeps us on our toes. So every day is kind of a new adventure there. Does anyone know of a good online course specifically about AI for supply chain? I keep hearing about AI everywhere. Everyone seems to think it's a big deal, but I'm still unsure of how it's actually going to impact our industry. No, I don't know of a good online course. Maybe we should ask like ChatGPT or Grok, one of those AI engines, what a good course is. Maybe they'll tell us. Here's how I think of AI, kind of a little older, right? The additive to AI is still garbage in, garbage out. So if you continuously feed AI that Coke is the best, Coke is the best, Coke is the best, Coke is the best, and you throw in a Pepsi every once in a while, AI is going to tell you Coke is the best. It's only about the data. So the more data that AI gets in, the more unbiased AI becomes. It's an ever-evolving, evolutionary thing that I don't know that there's any online courses that can tell you everything about it. Career trajectory for an inventory analyst. What role should my next step in my career, would a CPIM, CSCP certification, or SQL be more useful? Great question. I'm not a degree snob. I am an experience snob, though. What do you want to do? Like, where do you want to go? Do you want to be a better inventory analyst? Or are you trying to facilitate your career to be an executive? Maybe you love inventory so much and counting things. The way I advanced my career through some of those things was just getting out of my comfort zone. I just started asking questions and started, giving your opinion, not demand, oh, this would work way better like that. Just asking, well, would it work better like this? Those opportunities have been given to me. I've been blessed with that, and Worth continues to bless me with those opportunities like asset intelligence. Nobody knows what the hell that is either. So, yes, it looks like I'm done with Reddit for the day. I hope to help answer some of those questions for those folks that were chiming in. So appreciate you guys having me.